Hi friends, today I am trying to make statistical calculations based on coefficient of variance, standard deviations and mean. So first of all, we try to explain only theory parts, and now the second one videos we try to make statistical calculations on the base of real life practical applications. It is made by an IPL scores, Tata IPL score, as well manufacturing industries related practical applications. So what is a coefficient of variance? CV. It is a measure of dispersion. It is a measure of dispersions. It means it measure how far a set of numbers is spread out from their average. Average means mean. Okay. Standard deviation. It is denoted by sigma or S. So what is difference between sigma and S? We discuss in this video. It is a measure of the spread of data to the mean values, that is x bar, and x bar is the average of given data. So friends, here little bit example, taking example Tata IPL score of Virat Kohli in 2023. So here this is a score of Virat Kohli: 82 runs, 21 runs, 61 runs, 50 run and 6 run. The 5 matches played by Virat Kohli, and this is a score of Virat Kohli. So what is the mean? Mean is a average value of summation of all values divided by number of values, that is a n. So this is a 5 value, and adding all values 82, 21 plus 61 plus 50 and divided by 5, because it is a 5 number, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now it will get 44. What is the standard deviations? S. So standard deviation formula is here: summation of xi minus x bar ka whole square divided by n minus 1. So this is a 82 minus 44 mean. Here x bar is a mean. Xi equals to 82, 21, 61, 50 and 6, and all values are divided by, each one divided by minus 44 and whole square. So 82 minus 44 whole square plus 21 minus 44 whole square, all values are squared and divided by n minus 1, where you can only use n or n minus 1, we discuss later. So here 5 minus n 1. After you calculating, got the standard deviation is a sample standard deviation is a 30.58. This is a sample standard deviation. Here this is a mean. If you calculating CV, coefficient of variance, if you want to calculate CV, then CV is a sigma standard sample standard deviation divided by mean. So sample standard deviation you calculating 30.58 divided by mean is a 44. It will be calculated 0.69. Okay. So what is the sample standard deviation? Difference between sample standard deviation as well population standard deviation. Here the sigma is denoted by sigma, and here it is denoted by S. So sample standard deviation is the statistical values. Here the parameters, we calculating parameters. It is a subset of population. If you having entire value, entire population, and some data is taken out of, this is a subset, and here entire population is taking out, this is a population standard deviation. Here denominator having n minus 1, because you see here this is a n minus 1, or in example n minus 1. This is a sample standard deviation, and if you want to calculate population standard deviation, then only n is divided by this. It gives estimation values of parameter, but here it is the exact value of parameter. So this is a little bit explanation of how can you calculate mean, standard deviation as well coefficient of variance. Okay, so after this video we calculating real practical values Virat Kohli, comparing Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma scores, and as well manufacturing industry we also calculating in next video. Thank you.